Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Patil. In this video, we are going to discuss about all terminology in pharmacovigilance. So let's start. First definition is a pharmacovigilance. The pharmacovigilance is the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse event and any drug related problem called as the pharmacovigilance. It includes the many terms such as the supplement new drug application, then abbreviation new drug application, lead compound, prodrug, suspected drug, concomitant drug, then drug abuse, ADR, that is adverse drug reaction. Many terms are included, so we are discuss about one by one. The first is the supplement new drug application. A supplement is an application to allow a company to make a minor change in product that already has an approved a new drug application called as the supplement new drug application. Second is the ANDA, that is an abbreviated new drug application is an application for a US generic drug approval for an existing licensed medication or approval drug called as the ANDA. Third is the lead compound. A lead compound in a drug discovery is a chemical compound that has pharmacological or biological activity likely to be the therapeutic useful called as the lead compound. Next is the prodrug. A prodrug means a biological inactive compound which can metabolize into the body to produce a active drug called as the prodrug. Next is the what is meant by the drug abuse. The drug abuse is defined as excessive or large amount use or misuse of a psychoactive and narcotic drug such as the alcohol, pain medication or legal drug that can lead to physical, social or emotional harm called as the drug abuse. Next is the off-label use. Unapproved use of an approved drug. This term can mean that the drug is used for a disease or any medical condition that is not approved to the treatment called as the off-label drug. Next is what is meant by the suspected drug. Any drug which may potentially be implicated to the etiology of an adverse event called as the suspected drug. Next is the past drug. The drugs which were continue or discontinue to start of a treatment with the suspected drug and which are not thought to have a causal relationship between the adverse event and suspected drug called as the past drug. Then the next is the counterfeit medical product. The counterfeit medical product called as the misbranded drug. It is one which is deliberately and fraudulently misbrand with respect to identify and or source called as the counterfeit medical product. Next is the drug dependence. The drug dependence generally occurs after a patient has taken a drug for a long time or of a high dose. It is not necessary for a patient to have a stop or a reduce his or her intake of a drug for a drug dependence to be diagnosis called as the drug dependence. Next is the ADR, that is adverse drug reaction. The adverse drug reactions means a negative and undesirable effect of drug therapy called as the ADR. Then next is the adverse event. The adverse event means they are not confirmed the ADRs is occurs due to the drug or any other reason and they have a not causal relationship between the adverse event and suspected drug called as the adverse event. This is all about the all terminology include in a pharmacovigilance. So thank you.